Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
What do you want to do for lunch?
Oh, let's do tacos.
Tacos sound good.
Tacos are great.
Mike, we're live. Go.
Oh, serious? Right now?
Right now.
Oh, okay. Hey, welcome to Instagram Live Volume 3. Today we're really excited to talk about some of our expanded marketing. You guys all know that we have national endorsers with Colin Cowherd and Clay Travis, but we're really excited that we are adding spots to the Dan Patrick Show. And for all of you Midwesterners, we have a brand new endorsement with the free beer and hot wings. So really excited about that and to share that with you guys today. You know, there's been a lot of talk about this open workspace thing, so we figured we'd do it the Mdrive way. Enough about me, let's go meet the team. So first, if anybody's ever called the customer care line, you've probably spoken with Ilea. Say hi, Ilea.
Hi. Hold on one second. Thank you for calling Dream Brands. This is Ilea. Uh-huh.
Let's keep going. Come check out our new lab. So, oh, look, we have the Mdrive inventor now, my father, Mr. Gary Kehoe. Say hi, Dad.
Hey guys, you on your way to the conference room this morning?
Yeah, just showing him the new space.
Nice.
Hey, so look, this right here is one of our most talented chemists, Mr. Coop. Hey, Coop.
I think I have the new revision figured out.
Yeah, how's it look?
Well,
That's Mdrive.
what do you think?
Wow. Dad?
You know what, Coop? It's working, but until you come back here looking like the Incredible Hulk, we're gonna keep improving the formula.
All right.
We better keep going. So, Mr. Brandon Scott, our Chief Operating Officer, hanging out in his new office. Hey, Brandon.
Hey, good morning. Hey, Mike, I added this plant. Do you like it?
Beautiful.
Thanks. Hey, do you have a pen? I forgot mine.
Oh, yeah.
I guess we'll get that later.
We better keep going. Watch your step. Hey, this be a good time to check in with our sales team, Mr. Jim Reedy. Hey, how's Walgreens?
I gotta be there in 10 minutes!
Okay. Oh, Mr. John Hall, our Chief Financial Officer. Working hard, I can see. Hey, John, what's going on?
Hey, Mike, I got real good news. With our new outdoor office space, we've saved 80% on our leasing expenses this month.
Office costs are down.
Mike, man, that's great news. Can I move my office out of the basement now?
No, Taylor.
Okay.
But it really is beautiful out here. Ah! Oh my God, what happened?
Scorpion bite!
It's getting really dangerous out here. We're actually gonna go for a real hike now. Hey, do we have any questions on there, Taylor?
I think we are good to go, Mike, man.
Hey, send us a DM, send us a comment. We'll see you next week.